In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix 2026 guide. Anchors let your visitors jump straight to a specific section on a page without reloading, which keeps navigation smooth and professional. We'll set this up in 3 clear parts: creating your anchor, connecting it to your menu, and confirming the exact destination for that link. Start in the Wix editor. On the left toolbar, click the Add Elements button, the one with the plus icon. From the panel, open the Menu and Anchor category and choose Anchor. An anchor icon will appear on your page. Drag and drop it to the precise spot where you want visitors to land. A helpful tip here: place the anchor slightly above the section headline or content block it refers to. This prevents sticky headers from covering the first line of content when someone jumps to that section. Next, give the anchor a clear, functional name. Use something short and descriptive like features or contact. You'll use this name in a moment, so keep it easy to recognize and consistent with your site's structure. Now connect that anchor to your site's menu. Click your main menu in the header to select it, then choose Manage Menu. In the panel that opens on the left, click Add Menu Item at the bottom. You'll be asked what kind of item you want to add. Select Anchor. This tells Wix that this menu link won't open a new page. It will jump to a spot on a page you choose. With the item type set to Anchor, configure where the link should go. First, select the page that contains your anchor, such as the home page if that's where you placed it. Under the option labeled Where on the page, choose the exact anchor name you created earlier. You can then edit the menu label to be visitor friendly. The label is what people see in the menu. It doesn't have to match the internal anchor name perfectly, but keeping them similar helps you stay organized. Once this is set, your new menu item becomes a smooth shortcut that scrolls visitors directly to that section. Give it a quick test in preview. If the section feels slightly off, maybe the header overlaps, nudge the anchor a bit higher or lower until it lands perfectly. Repeat the same process for any additional sections you want to link. When everything looks good, your site navigation will feel faster, cleaner, and more intuitive. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.